Hey guys, Bo Sitzman here with the backup, back on this deck, and again, just showing you how you use the backup. If I've got 2 or 3 screws to drop in, I'm not putting this on. And this is a small example, but just an example of the fact that you need to be down when you're drilling. There's either up and kind of not working, or there's down, putting pressure on the drill, doing work. So the advantage of wearing the backup on long runs and prolonged periods is that you never really come out of position. See, I can move. I can find the best angle to be hitting that joist because I'm weightless. Yet I'm in an impossible situation without the backup. I mean, I'm literally weightless. I can feel weightless. So I can have more dexterity and a lot more control when I need it the most, which is when this screw is dropping into the joist below it. If I miss that joist, I may have to drill another hole. And when you're talking about TREX, multiple holes looks like garbage. So getting back to the work here. Again, just a quick example of how the backup helps you if you're in a situation where you're in a position for a prolonged period of time. See you guys soon.